Hey guys, it's George from Gaggia UK. Now in today's video, we're going to show you how to set up your Magenta Milk coffee machine. But before we get into the setup, let's take a quick look around the machine. So on the front, in the middle, you have the adjustable brew head. You have the capping cup system, which can be removed if you just want to use it as a steam wand. At the bottom, we have the espresso tray and your removable drip tray. Right at the top in the center, the TFT screen with all the controls you'll need. On the side of the machine, we have the service door, which reveals the removable brew group. And right at the top, on one side, you have the bean hopper, and on the other side, you have the water tank. Now that we've taken a look around the machine, let's get into the setup. So the first thing you want to do is peel off this sticker on the front of the TFT screen. Next, you'll want to connect your machine to power, which you can do so by plugging it in at the back of the machine. It will then ask you to select which language you want your coffee machine in. It will then ask you to put some water into the water tank and pop your coffee beans into the bean hopper. It will then ask you to place a container underneath the capping cup system and the adjustable brew head. This is because the machine is going to go through its priming cycle and water will come out. Then to activate the priming cycle, all you have to do is press the start button on the TFT screen. It will then ask you to test the water hardness level with the strip provided. Once you've done this test on the coffee machine, you'll then be able to select the level of water hardness in your area. Then the machine will do its final rinse, and after that, it's set up and ready to use. If you'd like to find out more information about your Magenta Milk coffee machine, or if you'd like to chat to one of our team members via Zoom, you can do so by heading to our website, gaggiadirect.com.